Hi everyone and welcome back to another video of this course. In this video, we're going to be talking about constraints and responsive layouts. So what are constraints and why do we need to make our design responsive? So suppose that you're designing a web page or an application screen and you're using, for instance, this artboard, MacBook Pro. Okay, then what happens when your user uses the portrait mode like this? So if you didn't make your design responsive, everything would be disorganized. So in this video, we're going to be talking about constraints and how you could make your pages responsive. First of all, I'm going to design a simple landing page here. So let's go ahead and add a rectangle here like this. And I'm going to change the color to dark blue, pretty awesome. Then I'm gonna add a text here. Let's write, welcome to the world of UI UX design. Let me change the color to white for now. And I'm gonna change the font to SF Pro text. I'm gonna make it larger a little bit. Let's set it to 64. And I think it's better to make it a fixed size text layer like this. Then let me align it to the center and also here, pretty good. Then what else do we need? I'm gonna add some links or menus at the top. So let's write home. I'm gonna make it white as well. Let's make it smaller. I think 24 points is great. Duplicate that. Then let's write pricing. Once again, duplicate that. And here, services. Once again, I'm gonna duplicate that. And now contact us. Pretty good. That's all. So first of all, let's change the spacing between them. And I'm gonna choose this menu in the inspector. And I'm gonna click distribute horizontal spacing like this. And in this way, the spacing between my links or my menus will be equal. And if you wanna check the spacing between your objects, you can easily select one text or object and then hold Option key or Alt on your keyboard, and you can hover your mouse on top of the text or shape next to your previous shape. As you can see, it has been set to 25. I'm gonna make it 24 like this, pretty awesome. And now let's make this text bold. So I'm gonna choose bold. Now it's better, and I'm gonna make it a little bit larger. Pretty good. And let's group our menus at the top, Command G or Control G, and I'm gonna write menus. Pretty awesome. I aligned it vertically as well, and that's all for now. So now, as you can see, we have designed this page for MacBook Pro with this dimension 1440 by 900, and it has been designed for landscape mode. So if I change it to portrait, you can see that everything will be disorganized. Okay, so we need to make our page responsive. To do that, first let's select this text. And as you can see in the inspector, you have something called constraints. So we are going to use that. And as you can see, the constraints are set to top and left, but we are going to change it because we need to keep this text to the center of our screen. Okay, I'm gonna change it to center and let's keep this to top because we need to keep this distance to the top the same. And now if I choose my frame and change it to portrait mode, you can see that it automatically changes its position and now everything is great. The next thing we need to do is to set constraint for our menus. So let's go back to landscape mode. And now I'm gonna select the menus. And as you can see, the constraints are set to left and top. However, they need to set to the center and top. So I'm gonna change it to the center. And now if I change my frame to the portrait mode, you can see that it will change responsively like this. It's pretty cool, isn't it? However, what if I make my screen even larger like this? You can see that my background is not responsive. So now please pause the video and try to fix that issue by yourself. And then I will show you how you could do that. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure that you could fix that by yourself. However, now I'm gonna show you as well in case that you had difficulties doing that. Alright, so in order to make your background responsive as well, first let's choose this rectangle, which is our background. And as you can see, the constraints are set to the left and top edges. The only thing we need to change is this one. So if we can change it to left and right, everything would be great. Now let's give it a try. Now I'm gonna make my frame even larger. And as you can see, we have a stretchy background like this. That was pretty easy. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.